Warning: the image used for this cup contains an inappropriate word. Viewer discretion is advised.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Walt and Sarah's channel. Today we will be sublimating on a frosted glass cup. This is my first time ever sublimating on a glass cup. It is all the rage right now. Everybody's always posting these awesome photos with these really cool cups. So I'm kind of doing some experimenting here, giving it a try. I just posted another video where we did a glitter sublimation tumbler, and I'm also trying the frosted cups for the first time ever. I did not receive any temperature guides or pressing instructions for the cups, so I'm kind of just guessing here. So to begin, I bought this image off of Etsy. It was already sized to match, I believe it's a 12-ounce cup. It was already sized down, so I didn't have to do any editing to it. Again, I wasn't sure what I was doing, so I just kind of went with it. I used their size guide. Obviously, the sides were too long, so I had to trim them down. And all I'm doing here is following my normal tumbler creating steps. I'm taping down the image as hard and as close as I can. I didn't do anything with the top part because we're not going to be transferring images at the top and bottom. It's going to be clear, so I didn't really tape that down too good, but I did put the seam tape down extremely well. And then I did use some shrink wrap, and this is just my heat gun, making sure all of the lines are out, making sure it's on there nice and tight, so that way our image transfers very nice. So for this one, I'm going to try using 380 degrees for 7 minutes, and then just rotate it halfway just like I would with a normal tumbler. And again, I get this asked a lot. You don't want to use your air fryer that you're using for your food. And as you can see inside, I've made several tumblers and the shrink wrap sticks to the basket. So obviously you don't want to put your food in there. So make sure if you're using an air fryer, you have one that is just for cup making. I'm not gonna lie, part of me was so paranoid that the glass was gonna shatter. I was worried I was gonna drop it. I was worried it was gonna get too hot and just explode. So I really pushed off making these for a while, and then finally, you know what, I saw everybody's pretty pictures on Facebook of these cups, and I decided it's my turn. So yeah, and this is something I did not think about. The shrink wrap got so hot that the ends shrunk. They fused together, and then I was unable to just peel it off with my fingers. Typically, I don't use scissors or knife or anything like that to take off my shrink wrap. I just use my hands. But because it fused, I had to pull out my handy dandy scissors. You can see here, once I got it started, it was pretty easy to peel off the rest of the paper and the rest of the shrink wrap. I'm trying to stay nice and neat and keep the trash paper out of the view here for you guys, but that's just not reality. I'm getting so excited. I can see that the ink did transfer and it's already looking so good. So I'm getting excited. I just can't wait to just rip the rest of it off, and then we can just evaluate the entire cup finished. Here it is, guys. Here is the finished cup. It looks so good. Remember, this is a frosted version of the glass cup, so it's not going to be super clear. I absolutely love it. My only complaint is that sangria is a little bit light. You can't really see it. Again, I bought this file from Etsy, so I didn't edit it. It was already ready to go and supposed to be sized for these cups, but I just printed it out exactly as it was, trimmed it down, transferred it. I didn't edit it. I will in the future if I ever need to use it again. Comes with a bamboo lid, came with a straw. Made a perfect little birthday gift for somebody that is a very sarcastic person. Thought she would find this hilarious. So yeah, so apologies for the dirty wordy. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you all next time.